my name is Galina, and today I wanted to show you how I unbox my curriculum. I've been using BJU Press for 7 years now, and I wanted to show you guys how I unbox the curriculum. I've been loving this BJU Press. I have children who are going to be going into a 6th grade, 4th grade, and a 1st grade, and I'm also a homeworks consultant, and I'm hoping that this can be helpful and you can take some tips from unpacking. So I have 3 children, and I've got 4 boxes for this year, and this is for the school year 2018 through 2019. And when you look at the boxes, they kind of all look the same, but the difference is when you look into the box, it'll tell you which of the boxes it has a packing slip. So I have this box that has a packing slip enclosed, and this box also has a packing slip enclosed, and these two do not have a packing slip. So when I open the box, I find the packing slip, and I like to look through the packing slip and also have my highlighter handy. So when I unpack, I can highlight everything I have, and if something is missing, I will contact BJU for them to fulfill whatever is missing. Next, when I unpack, I like to put them in categories as far as grade goes. So I will just stack them in order because BJU have all the curriculum mixed in all the boxes. So when I unpack, I just put everything 1st grade, 4th grade, and 6th grade, and I just do that. And I just unpack all the books, and there are also handouts which we'll do a bit later. I'll just put them aside, that way it won't take a whole lot of time. And also when I unpack, the also helpful tip that I wanted to share with you is these slips. They have a box number, which is going to be right here, and you can match those box numbers to this box. That way you know which box numbers and what are the items that are included in the box. And this box goes for this box, and this box number goes for the following box, and so on. These are really nice and colorful books, and I'm so excited to start these with my children. And these, I just put them separately. These are the tests, and my older student is not going to get tests, the paper tests. She's going to do them online. And as you can see, I'm going to just set these aside and also organize them. But these are like the main books and the workbooks that I have organized by grade: 1st grade, 4th grade, and 6th grade. I have one last box that I have to unpack, and I've got some calligraphy pens for my 6th grader that they're going to be learning calligraphy. And of course, I got some extra ones just in case she's going to lose them. I'm sure that's going to happen. But this is the last box that I have to unpack. And as you can see, I also have the Getting Started guide, which is really helpful to make sure to get familiar with that. So as you can see, I have organized items by grade. So I have all the extras for the 1st grade. These are handouts for the student. I also have the video lesson guides for all the subjects for my 1st grader, and his tests, the test and the answer key for me. So I have that file for the 1st grade. Same for the 4th grade. I have all the video lesson guides, which are really helpful. It'll tell you what day number you're on, what you will need, what pages number you will need, what needs to be, what the assignment is, and also for the parent, what you need to check on. It is really helpful for me to have everything online. So some of these items I might not even use because I have everything online and it's very well organized. And this is for my 6th grader. In my next video, I wanted to show you how I organize all of my books and everything that I have for my students. So stay tuned and subscribe. I know this is a new channel for me, so I hope this was really helpful for you, and also wanted to do more videos like these, and because I have a lot of people asking me how to do these, how to unpack, how to organize them and such. So next video is going to be how to organize the curriculum, and stay tuned. Thank you.